Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to add a clickable link on Filmora. If you want your viewers to go on a link straight from your video to make them visit your websites more easily, this video is for you. So first, open the Filmora app on your mobile device. Then select the video you want to add a clickable link. You'll see many options on the bottom of your screen. Simply go and tap on text, then tap on add. Here, go ahead and paste or write a URL you want your viewers to click. After you're done, simply tap on click and you can adjust where to keep the URL. After you're done, simply tap on the export button on the top right corner. You can either choose full export or simply tap on free export. And now you guys know how to add a clickable link on Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.